Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Deflector for Star Mfg part #2F-Z3036. A deflector for Star Mfg part #2F-Z3036 is a type of shield that is designed to protect a machine or other equipment from damage caused by debris, dust, and other particles. The deflector is typically made of metal and has a curved shape that helps to deflect any particles away from the machine or equipment. The deflector can be mounted on the outside of the machine or equipment, or it can be installed inside the machine or equipment. The deflector helps to keep the machine or equipment clean and free from damage caused by debris, dust, and other particle. This part fixes the following symptoms. Deflector for Star Mfg part #2F-Z3036 is used to deflect heat away from the cooking surface of a commercial range. It can help to reduce heat transfer and improve the efficiency of the range, as well as reduce the risk of fire or other damage caused by excessive heat. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by locating the installation instructions for the deflector. These instructions should be included with the product when it is purchased. 2. Make sure that you have all of the necessary tools and materials to complete the installation, such as a drill, screws, and a wrench. 3. Read through the instructions carefully and make sure that you understand each step before beginning. 4. Carefully position the deflector in its desired location on the appliance and mark where it needs to be drilled for mounting screws. 5. Drill pilot holes in the MAR. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.